What's the meaning of blokeish? Blokeish. Blokeish.
Blokeish. Blokeish. The word blokeish is an adjective that describes a man or behavior that is typically associated with men. It can be used to describe someone or something that is masculine, rough, and perhaps lacking in refinement. A blokeish man might be into sports, beer drinking, and other traditionally male pastimes. He may have a disregard for manners or etiquette and might use coarse language or humor. Blokeish behavior can also refer to a lack of sensitivity or emotional intelligence, with an emphasis on toughness and self-sufficiency. The term is typically used in a light-hearted way, often as a way to poke fun at stereotypical male behavior.